Alright, so I'm gonna swap this out here. All you have to do is just pull from corner to corner, and then I use this trim tool to go up top right here into these areas and just kind of pry it open. There it goes. Alright, so getting this door off is pretty hard because you have to take these two pins out. There's one on each side. So the way I'm doing it is I'm using this pick here. I'm not sure how well you're gonna be able to see that, but let me zoom in. So you see that silver shiny part? So I'm using the edge of this pick to go along the edge of it, not straight down on it, but just on the edge of that that ring. So I guess good representation would be like on the edge of this. So as soon as I lay it on top of that section, I'll just use my mallet here. And I just give it a tap, and it seems it's able to walk the pin right out, so that's how I'm able to get it out. Now just grab it with some pliers and just pull it. So when you remove the door, there's going to be a spring in there. Make sure you keep note of how it looks so that you can reinstall it on your new door. So I took it out, and it's going to come out like this. Right? Grab your new door, set it down the same way. Pick up your spring the same way, just put it in place. Kind of hard to do with one hand. There you go. Also make sure that the spring goes into that little slot right there. So it went on pretty easy. Just repeat the process of removing these pins and just put them back on. And it looks pretty good. Focusing. So I'm gonna put this back on, and then we should be done.
Are you taking the video?